Can I feed my cat tuna? Tuna is a delicious and nutritious meal for cats. However, many owners wonder if they can feed tuna to their pets. In this video, we'll take a look at whether cats can eat tuna, what form of tuna is safe for cats, and the best ways to feed your cat tuna. Tuna is a great source of protein for cats and can help them maintain a healthy weight. Tuna is one of the leaner fish, making it a nutritious choice for cats. It can help cats maintain a healthy weight and avoid obesity. Tuna is also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which promote a healthy heart, skin, and coat. However, omega-3 fatty acids by reducing inflammation can lead to dry, oily, and itchy skin. It is best to feed tuna to cats in small amounts, as too much can cause upset stomachs. Niacin, which is also known as vitamin B3, helps your cat metabolize protein, fat, and carbohydrates, which is important for her physical and mental health. Tuna is high in protein. However, the protein in tuna is unhealthy for cats because it is high in molecules of peptides that are too small for cats to digest. These peptides can cause health problems in cats, such as kidney problems. What's in tuna? Tuna contains a small amount of taurine, a vital nutrient that is in muscle meat. However, your cat's body does not convert taurine from tuna into taurine. So, feeding tuna to your cat is not helpful in terms of providing taurine. Tuna is a good source of arachidonic acid, which is important for a cat's immune system. However, feeding tuna to your cat on a regular basis can cause him to suffer from some really annoying problems. Tuna contains food additives. Tuna can contain a wide variety of food additives, including molasses, monosodium glutamate, message, and preservatives. Some of these additives can cause allergic reactions in cats. The preservatives in canned tuna can also trigger asthma-like symptoms in cats. Tuna contains mercury, which can damage your cat's kidneys and liver. These organs are responsible for eliminating toxins from the body, so mercury can easily build up in them. Tuna contains high levels of sodium. High levels of sodium can cause health problems in cats, including high blood pressure and obesity. Feeding your cat tuna on a regular basis can lead to these health problems. If you're feeding your cat tuna fish in a can, make sure it's packed in water or water with juice, not oil. Cats who eat fish can have an allergic reaction to tuna that is packed in oil, so it's generally not recommended. You should also avoid giving your cat tuna that's been cooked in spices or other flavorings. When giving your cat tuna, it's important to let the food sit out for 30 minutes before giving it to them. This allows the tuna to cool and denature the proteins, making it safe for them to eat. How often should my cat eat tuna? While tuna is a healthy choice, it's a good idea to limit feeding your cat with tuna to once per week, due to the mercury content. What are the possible effects of feeding a cat tuna? Tuna can be a very dangerous food for your cat to eat if repeated often. The danger comes from mercury, a metallic element that is in all kinds of fish. If the cat is fed rarely with tuna, it can't cause immediate danger. Fish that are high in mercury including tuna or swordfish, mackerel, and tilefish. But eating just 1 or 2 servings of tuna can cause problems. Is it okay to feed your cat tuna fish? Tuna is recommended for cats who have an aversion to other meats. However, feeding tuna to cats is not an effective way to provide them with essential nutrients. Tuna may contain harmful bacteria which can cause food poisoning in cats. Thiaminase is a chemical that destroys thiamine, a vitamin that is important for your cat's health. When your cat eats tuna, it destroys some of the thiamine in his body and eventually becomes deficient in this essential nutrient. Can I feed my cat tuna? The answer is, yes, you can. But, in most cases, we recommend that you ensure you're feeding your cat safe, nutritionally balanced cat food rather than feeding them tuna. Cats may become addicted to the taste of tuna and refuse to eat other foods. Tuna is not a nutritionally complete food for cats and can cause health problems if fed as a sole diet. Cats also may become addicted to the taste of tuna and refuse to eat other foods. How much tuna should I supply my kitty cat? Tuna should only be fed to cats occasionally as a treat or supplement. Cats can safely eat up to 1.5 ounces of tuna in a day, but meals should not be regular. The protein in tuna can also be harmful to cats, especially kittens, and cats should never have more than 6 ounces of tuna in one day. When shopping for tuna, check the label to ensure that the product is of high quality. Some brands are better than others, so it's important to read the ingredients list. How to tell if your cat is having an allergic reaction to tuna. If your cat is sneezing, has watery eyes, or is coughing, it may be having an allergic reaction to tuna. While cats do drool and have funny quirks, those behaviors are rarely a sign of sickness. That said, if your cat's behavior changes suddenly, it could be a sign of one serious illness or another. That might be an allergic reaction to tuna. If your cat has been itching all over and has red, inflamed skin, it may be having an allergic reaction to tuna. Tuna is one of the most common food allergies found in cats. Cats who have allergies are often allergic to the protein in raw fish, the amino acid arginine, and other fish byproducts. If your cat is vomiting or has diarrhea, it may be having an allergic reaction to tuna. If your cat has a history of allergies or has certain health problems, it may not be able to handle tuna. If your cat is vomiting or has diarrhea, it may also be having an allergic reaction to tuna. If your cat is throwing up after eating tuna, it may be that it has been exposed to a toxin called PTS. If your cat has diarrhea, it may be due to something called salmonellosis. Salmonellosis is a bacterial disease that most commonly affects young cats. If your cat has diarrhea after eating tuna, you should speak to your vet. Avoid feeding tuna if the cat is pregnant, nursing, or has health problems. Tuna is high in mercury, a dangerous heavy metal that can enter the bloodstream and cause problems for nursing babies. Cats that consume tuna while pregnant can pass the mercury onto their newborns, which can cause severe developmental issues in kittens. Tuna also contains high levels of arachidonic acid, an omega-6 fatty acid that can trigger inflammation in expectant mothers and their unborn kittens. If your cat is pregnant, avoid feeding her any food that contains high levels of arachidonic acid. Tuna also is not a good choice for cats with hyperthyroidism or thyroid problems. These animals are at risk of thyroid tumors, and trying to consume tuna will only exacerbate this condition. Tuna is another fish that is not suitable for cats with kidney disease. The protein in tuna is particularly taxing for the kidneys, and a cat with kidney disease shouldn't be eating it at all. Conclusion: in most cases, ensure you're feeding your cat safe, nutritionally balanced cat food rather than feeding them oftenly tuna. Give tuna to your cat in small quantities as a treat. Tuna is only suitable for cats as a treat and should be fed to your cat sparingly. Thank you for watching this video.